Hi, Alex. Nice to see you today. I want to learn how to talk about the future. Can we practice future tense now?
Hi, Sophia. Of course we can practice. We will use simple words and short sentences. We are going to have a good lesson.
Great, thank you. Later today, I am meeting my sister for lunch. After that, I am going to study English at home.
That is a good plan. When you say, I am meeting, it is a future arrangement. When you say, going to, it is a plan you decided.
Tomorrow, I will wake up early and listen to your new video. I think it will help my ears. I will write new words in my notebook.
Nice. Will is good for a promise or a quick decision. You can also use will for a prediction. For example, I think you will improve fast.
This evening, it is going to rain, I think. The sky is very dark now, so I am going to bring an umbrella.
Perfect. That is going to for a prediction with evidence. You can see the dark sky, so you say it is going to rain. If you just guess, you can say it will rain.
On Friday, I am traveling to my parents' house. I am going to stay there for 2 nights. I will help my mom cook dinner.
That sounds warm and kind. You are traveling on Friday, so it is arranged. And I will help sounds like a promise.
Next week, I am going to start a new listening routine. I will listen for 10 minutes every morning. Then I will repeat the sentences slowly.
Great routine. We can also say, I am going to practice every day. That shows a clear plan for the near future.
What will you do this weekend, Alex? Are you going to rest or work? I am curious.
On Saturday, I am visiting a friend in the city. We are going to watch a movie and eat dinner. On Sunday, I will relax and read.
I will probably stay home on Sunday. I am going to clean my room and wash my clothes. Then I will call my best friend.
Good. Probably is helpful for the future. It means you are not 100% sure. You can also say, maybe I will stay home.
In 2 days, I am going to take a small English test online. I feel a little nervous, but I will try my best. I think I will do okay.
You will do fine. If you study, you are going to get a better score. And when you say, I will try, it shows strong effort.
Tonight, I am going to cook pasta. I will watch a short English clip while I wait. It will be a fun dinner.
Nice idea. While you cook, you can listen and relax. Your brain will learn little by little.
Will you make another video tomorrow? I hope you will. I am going to share it with my friends.
Yes, I will upload one tomorrow morning. I am going to talk about will and going to again. I think many viewers will like it.
Next month, I am going to visit New York for the first time. I am going to see a big park and many tall buildings. It will be exciting.
New York will be busy and loud, but fun. You are going to hear many accents there. If you listen carefully, you will learn a lot.
I am going to buy a small notebook before the trip. I will write simple future sentences in it. I will read them on the plane.
That is smart. On the plane, you will have time. You are going to practice even while you travel.
What will the weather be like next month? I think it will be colder, so I am going to pack a jacket.
Good prediction. If you check a weather app, you can be more sure. But I think it will be colder is a clear guess.
After I come back, I am going to work more hours. I will save money for another trip. One day, I will travel to Europe too.
I like that dream. One day is a nice future time phrase. If you keep saving, you are going to reach that goal.
In the future, I want to speak English with confidence. I am going to practice with you every week. I will not give up.
That is strong. I will not give up is a great promise. If you stay consistent, your speaking will get smoother.
My friend is going to join an English club soon. I am going to go with her next Tuesday. We are meeting at 7 p.m.
Excellent use of present continuous. We are meeting is a fixed plan. You can also say, we are going to meet, and it is also fine.
I think the club will be friendly. People will help each other. I will say, "Hi, I am Sophia," and smile.
Yes, and you will ask simple questions. You can say, what are you going to do this week? People will answer with future plans.
Later this week, I am going to buy a new headset. It will make listening clearer. I will use it every night.
Good choice. Better sound will help your ears. You are going to notice more small words like to and for.
This year, I am going to read 5 easy English books. I will start with one short story. Then, I will read one page each day.
Perfect for A2 level. Reading will give you more words for speaking. You will also see future tense in stories and conversations.
Next year, I will be 22. I am going to celebrate with my family. We will eat cake and take photos.
Happy early birthday. Will be is a simple future fact, and your plan sounds sweet and clear.
I am going to learn 300 new words in 3 months. I will review them on weekends. It will take time, but I will be patient.
Great goal. You can say, I am going to learn for the plan, and it will take time is A. On Wednesday, I am going to meet my cousin after work. We are going to drink coffee and talk. I will practice future questions with him. Good future expression.
Sometimes I worry about mistakes, but I think I will feel better soon. I am going to speak anyway.
Mistakes are normal. If you speak more, you will make fewer mistakes later. You are going to gain confidence step by step.
On Wednesday, I am going to meet my cousin after work. We are going to drink coffee and talk. I will practice future questions with him.
Nice. Practice with family is easy. You can ask, what will you do tomorrow? Or you can ask, what are you doing tomorrow?
Oh, what are you doing tomorrow? Sounds like present tense, but it means future, right? I will use that question. It will sound natural.
Exactly. It is present continuous for future plans. It is very common in daily English. People will understand you right away.
What will you do after this coffee, Alex? Are you going to go back to work? Or are you meeting someone?
After this, I am going to the gym. I will exercise for an hour. Then I am meeting a client at 3 p.m.
You are always busy. I think you will feel tired tonight. So you are going to sleep early, right?
Yes, I will probably sleep early. If I stay up late, I will feel bad tomorrow. So I am going to rest.
Tomorrow night, I am watching a live English show online. My friend will join me. We are going to chat during the show.
Great! Live shows are fun. You will hear real speed and real pauses. If you do not understand, you can write notes and listen again later.
Next weekend, I am going to try a new hobby, painting. I will buy simple colors and paper. It will relax me.
That sounds peaceful. When you relax, your mind will be open. You are going to learn better when you feel calm.
In the next few days, I will practice will and going to a lot. I am going to make 10 sentences each day. I will send some to you.
Please do, and I will check them. I will give simple feedback. You are going to improve faster with small corrections.
I think your channel will grow this year. More people will find your listening videos. You will help many learners.
Thank you. That is a kind prediction. I am going to keep uploading regularly. I will do my best for the audience.
One day, I will make my own English content too. I am going to start small with short posts. Maybe I will record my voice.
That is a great future plan. If you start small, you will not feel scared, and you will learn a lot by doing.
Next time we meet, I will tell you about my New York trip. I am going to take many photos. We will laugh and share stories.
I look forward to that. We are meeting again next Thursday, right? I will be here at the same time.
Yes, we are meeting next Thursday at 10 a.m. I am going to come a little early because I do not want to be late. I will bring my notebook too.
Perfect. That is a clear arrangement. You are going to be on time, and your notebook will help you remember new phrases.
Before I leave, I will order one more drink. I am going to choose hot chocolate today. It will be my small treat.
Good idea. I will get another coffee too. Then we will practice 2 more future questions.
Okay, here is one. What will you do if it rains tomorrow? Will you stay home or will you still go out?
If it rains, I will stay inside for a while. I am going to work on my laptop and clean my kitchen. Later, if the rain stops, I will take a short walk.
Nice. I like that if sentence. If I have free time tomorrow, I will watch your video again. If I feel sleepy, I will take a short nap.
Great use of if. Real life is full of if plans. You will use these sentences many times.
I feel more confident now. I am going to practice every day, even for 5 minutes. I will keep moving forward.
And you will succeed, Sophia. You are going to build a strong habit. See you next Thursday, and have a great week.